Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to address this problem, that is how to fix speed queen washer keep beeping. So I was searching for the solution of this problem, then I came across this article where this person is saying that beeping is usually an indication that the washer encountered an error. So try this first. You need to unplug the washer from outlet for 5 minutes, then plug back in and see if beeping stopped. If it did, then you just had an error and the issue was resolved by rebooting the control board. If beeping continues, then you might have either a faulty sensor or control board to replace, and replacement can be done with the help of a technicians only. So you can just call a technician if beeping continues, and you can just uh, take a look at the sensors and controls. But in most of the cases, your problem will be resolved after just resetting your washer. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.